If you've ever felt lost on a big Lucidchart canvas, this video is going to make navigation super easy. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to move around your workspace, zoom in and out smoothly, and use the mini-map to jump to different parts of your board faster. By the end, you'll be navigating Lucidchart like a pro, which means less time getting stuck and more time actually building your diagram. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. When you open Lucidchart, the first thing to understand is the workspace, also called the canvas. This is the area where all of your shapes, connectors, and diagrams live. As your project grows, the canvas can get much bigger than what you can see on screen at one time, so knowing how to move around is really important. Let's start with panning, which is just a fancy word for moving around the board. One of the easiest ways to do this is by holding down the spacebar on your keyboard. While holding spacebar, click and drag your mouse in any direction. You'll notice the board moves with you, letting you shift left, right, up, or down without changing what you've built. This is especially helpful when your diagram is spread out and you need to reach another area quickly. If you prefer using a mouse, Lucidchart also lets you pan by holding the right-click button and dragging. That works almost the same way. You can pull the canvas across the screen and reposition your view wherever you need it. If one method feels more natural than the other, just stick with the one that's fastest for you. Next, let's talk about zooming. Zooming is useful when you want to focus on small details or zoom out to see the bigger picture. One option is to hold the spacebar, Ctrl or Alt key, depending on your setup, and use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Scrolling up or down will zoom in and out, making it easier to inspect specific parts of your diagram or see how everything fits together. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl- to zoom out. This is a great option if you want quick control without moving your mouse to the screen. It's simple, fast, and very useful once you get used to it. Another easy way to zoom is by using the plus and minus buttons in the bottom right corner of the screen. These buttons show your current zoom percentage, and you can click them to adjust your view step by step. If you want a more controlled zoom level, this is a very reliable method. It's especially helpful when you're trying to line things up precisely or when you want to quickly return to a more readable view. Now let's look at one of the most helpful tools for navigating a large canvas, the mini-map. You'll find the mini-map icon in the bottom right corner. When you click it, Lucidchart shows you a thumbnail view of your entire board. This gives you a full overview of your workspace, so instead of guessing where you are, you can see the whole layout at once. The mini-map is perfect when your diagram is large and you need to jump from one section to another without endlessly scrolling. Just click on a different area in the mini-map, and Lucidchart will take you there instantly. It's one of the fastest ways to move around a complex workspace. And once you start using it, you'll probably wonder how you ever worked without it. So to quickly recap, if you want to navigate in Lucidchart, you can pan with the spacebar and drag, or right-click and drag with your mouse. You can zoom with the scroll wheel, use Ctrl+ and Ctrl-, or click the zoom buttons in the bottom right. And if you need a fast overview of your whole diagram, use the minimap to jump around the board. Mastering these simple navigation tools will save you time and make Lucidchart much easier to use, especially on bigger projects. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.